Hi, my name is Elle.
I am Celine.
My name is Rita.
And we're doing
Abhyanga Massage.
Okay. What I enjoyed the most learning about Ayurvedic massage was how to support my friends and family with the Ayurvedic doshas and the oils that we learned about.
I really like Ayurveda, and I liked the massage because it's long strokes, it's really fluent with movements, and it's relaxing, and I would love to do it on my friends and family, and I can't wait. It was a perfect course.
I did Indian head massage course last week, which is also Ayurvedic, and I really enjoyed it. And this week the body massage was also really enjoyable. I feel like I learned a lot. Uni was an amazing teacher. She's very kind. She's really supportive, and she explains things so well. She's the best teacher I had in my life.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bali BISA.
Bali BISA.